हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम चैप्टर 11 वर्क एंड एनर्जी इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, फिल इन ईच ब्लैंक विद द appropriate term from the brackets. A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Dash dash will be done when a dash dash is applied to do this, because there will be a dash dash of water. Options: displacement, work, force. Answer: work, force, displacement. A bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Work will be done when a force is applied to do this, because there will be a displacement of water. B. If a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires dash dash and falls on the ground. That is, transformation of dash dash energy into dash dash energy takes place. Options: kinetic, potential, motion. Answer: motion, potential, kinetic. If a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires motion and falls on the ground. That is, transformation of potential energy into kinetic energy takes place. C. You might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of dash dash energy into dash dash energy. Options: light, atom, chemical, solar. Answer: chemical, light. You might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of chemical energy into light energy. D. The solar cooker is an application of the dash dash energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of the dash dash energy of the sun. Options: light, chemical, heat. Answer: heat, light. The solar cooker is an application of the heat energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of the light energy of the sun. E. One laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, dash dash work will be done. Options: equal, more, less. Answer: equal. One laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, equal work will be done. F. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called dash dash. Options: energy, displacement, force. Answer: energy. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called energy. Question 2. Match the pairs. Group A, Group B. Group A. 1. Rolling object. 2. Food. 3. Stretched bow. 4. Sunlight. 5. Uranium. Group B. A. Heat energy. B. Atomic energy. C. Kinetic energy. D. Potential energy. E. Chemical energy. Answers: 1. Rolling object, kinetic energy. 2. Food, chemical energy. 3. Stretched bow, potential energy. 4. Sunlight, heat energy. 5. Uranium, atomic energy. Question 3. Can you tell A. When can we say that displacement has taken place? Answer: when the position of any object changes, then we can say that displacement has taken place. B. What should be taken into account for measuring work? Answer: force and displacement should be taken into account for measuring work. C. What are the various forms of energy? Answer: mechanical energy, sound energy, light energy, heat energy, electrical energy, chemical energy are the various forms of energy. D. Describe one natural chain of transformation of energy. Answer: plants prepare food by utilizing solar energy. The food produced is in the form of chemical energy. This food is consumed by animals. They develop muscular energy. The digestion of food also produces heat energy in the body. This natural chain of transformation of energy can be shown as follows. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy, and chemical energy is converted into muscular energy and heat energy. E. Why should we save energy? Answer: saving energy is the need of the hour. When we produce energy, we need fuel on a very large scale. The fuels are also depleting fast from the earth. By more consumption of energy, lots of carbon dioxide is produced. This leads to global warming and pollution. In order to conserve our environment, we must save energy. F. What is green energy? Answer: the energy resources which do not emit smoke and carbon products are called green energy resources. The energy produced in this way is the green energy. G. What are the non-conventional energy resources? Answer: the energy resources which are not used traditionally and which are not exhaustible, that is, can be used again and again, are known as non-conventional energy resources. These are solar energy, wind energy, atomic energy, and hydroelectric power. H. Which forms of energy from the sun are used in solar energy devices? Answer: sun produces heat energy and light energy. Solar energy devices like solar cells use light energy, while devices like solar cooker, solar heater use heat energy of the sun. I. Why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources? Answer: 1. The conventional energy resources are limited. They cannot be reused. 2. Uncontrolled use of conventional energy resources will result in their exhaustion, and there will not be any source of energy in the future. 3. To prevent such situation, we have to use non-conventional energy resources which are inexhaustible and can be renewed. Question 4. Who is the odd one out? 1. Diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wind. Answer: wind. 2. A running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bag. Answer: a book kept on a table. 3. Sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. Answer: petrol. 4. Leaving the fan on in a vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter, putting off the light when going out. Answer: putting off the light when going out. Question 5. Find out the types of energy from the following puzzle. Answer: 1. Potential, 2. Kinetic, 3. Heat, 4. Sound, 5. Wind, 6. Solar, 7. Light. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने वर्क एंड एनर्जी इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी किया. थैंक यू.